Hey everyone, Anthony here from the Chi Life Academy. I've been watching videos on social media of movement experts and enjoying all the different disciplines that are out there. I wanted to talk a little bit about turning. It's a great way of de-stressing and decompressing your nervous system. But often a lot of it is taught primarily as a movement exercise without understanding a little bit deeper the mechanics that is needed to really get the deep core center rotating and creating that stillness and that decompression of stress. So the way I like to think of it is like a pole in the sand that can turn, or you think of a child spinning top with a pole through the middle, and we're going to turn. Often you will have seen the film Karate Kid with the drum. I'm sure you've seen that with the drum. And if you look, the center of the drum moves, everything else moves around it. So quite commonly the mistakes that are made is people do the turning left and right using their shoulders, which I'm not saying is wrong, but it's really not embodying center-led movement. The other mistake that's made is it's forced this way, so you'll see people driving the hips and then driving the shoulder with it. So it becomes this kind of thing, which is nice, but it's not true center-led. True center-led movement is maintaining the center line and turning around it. So how do we do that? We do that by allowing this part of our body, the pelvis, to move first, to mobilize. If you watch, if I allow that to move, naturally the shoulders will follow. Naturally the head will follow. So I have to bring awareness to here and make sure my feet are parallel, toes in alignment, knees are soft, and I'm turning. I'm creating a crease. My trousers, they call this the qua. And I'm allowing that to turn. And funnily enough, as I turn left and right, that natural centrifugal force is allowing the hands to naturally accelerate, decelerate. It's all about making those hands and wrists heavy. Breathing in. And you can see I maintain my center line. I don't weave. I don't use shoulders, and I don't try to drive with the pelvis. That's a different kind of movement. I'm maintaining this drum-like movement. You see children in the playing ground doing this. It's a regulatory exercise. It's a sensory awareness exercise. And you can improve the turn by looking behind, so allowing your center to drive, head to follow, but you never drive with the head first, because otherwise it becomes this, and you can see the difference, right? Not embodied. So those of you who want to do center-led turning, take into account your stance, knees soft, make sure your lower back is nice and straight, and allow this centerpiece, your pelvis, to do the turning. Allow that to happen first. And then center-led turning will come very natural to you with practice. Thank you for watching. I'm Anthony Monteith, Chi Life Academy, a healer in every household.